Right, hey, telephone everyone. It's day 2 today. We're at 12 News. The boys are going to be performing a 3-minute set to promote a workshop on Saturday, and also to showcase their culture and what Tatau Mānaia is about, and also beautiful Samoa. Stay tuned. Man.
3, no talking. 2. Hello everyone and welcome to Arizona Midday. I'm your host Destry Jashan. Today on the show, win free tickets to a fun show and a gift card to go shopping, plus trending news from high-tech gifts to streaming apps. But first, we're giving you a taste of Samoa.
Wow, that was amazing. Great job, you guys. And we have another taste coming up, but first we want to tell you about the traditional Samoan dancing and how you can learn it too. Albert is here. He was doing the drums there, which was fabulous. Tell me about what we just saw.
So that was a segment of Siva Samoan by Sasa. It's one of the Samoan Sivas that we kind of depict our chores in the everyday, living life. Yeah.
Okay, now you guys are from New Zealand.
Yep.
Is that correct? So
yes.
Tell me about the dance culture there.
So we're from New Zealand, but originally our culture is Samoan culture, which is what we carry with us. Back in New Zealand, very passionate people about our culture. Samoan Siva is something that we use as a family, as a village, to connect with each other, and it's a form of art.
Okay, it is a form of art. We're looking at this right now. Tell me what we're watching.
So that's, we have a movement back at home. This is just 12 of us, but we have a movement called Tatau Mānaia, and there's 82 of us young kids from 5 to 20.
Wow.
And this is us utilizing Samoan Siva, academics, and learning the culture, keep them off the streets, and also to, I guess, teach them when they're young. So
yeah, why is it so important for you to pass on the dancing and the traditions of the Samoan culture?
Because it is meant to be passed on from our ancestors to us, so we pass it on to the next generation, and it's something that we really embrace.
Yeah, and you want to share it. You're doing a workshop.
Yep.
Tell me about the workshop you're doing here and the group that's hosting you.
Awesome. So we're linking up with an amazing group called Tamāli'i, Polynesian Events Entertainment.
And this is them
Yes.
dancing here.
Yep. And
you're doing a workshop with them?
Yeah, so we're doing a Siva Samoa workshop, which is, I believe, it's a first of its kind as well, and it's a way of us to connect with also our Samoan brothers and sisters, I guess, Pasifika, as well on this side of the world, just to share the knowledge and stuff, because it is about us sharing, the Samoan and the Siva Samoa. So we're very, very excited for Saturday. Saturday. Tell
me, it's taking place Saturday.
Yep.
So how can we learn more? How can people sign up, attend, watch?
Awesome. So if you want to join the workshop on Saturday, go on to Tamāli'i Entertainment website and sign up. I think it's
right there on your screen.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And also they'll be learning quite a bit of Samoan, various different kind of Sivas that we have. Yeah.
Okay, and it's taking place, you said, this Saturday?
Yes, this Saturday at Croc Center Salvation.
Okay,
Salvation
excellent. You see the website right on your screen. Go there to get more information. But you know what? We are not going to leave you without another dance from these guys because they are amazing. All right, I'm going to let you take it away. Again, for more information, just go online to the website on your screen.
Alright, so that was our first media. I think we have another 2 left, yeah? And that's really an awesome experience for the boys to expose and also share our Siva Samoa. I guess we're doing justice for all our people back at home as well, not just for us, but we want to represent everyone as well. So big thanks to Tamāli'i for this opportunity, and also we've got a few more media performances in the coming weeks. So stay tuned, guys. Oh man. Yeah.
How can people sign up, attend, watch?
Awesome. So if you want to join the workshop on Saturday, go on to Tamāli'i Entertainment website and sign up. I think it's
Right there on your screen.
Yeah. And also they'll be learning quite a bit of Samoan, various different kind of sivas that we have. Yeah.
Okay.